Hi, in this video I would like to share with you how to calculate the aging receivable analysis. It is important for the company to have accurate information on how long it's taken to collect the amount that is due from its customers. I do have the basic information here as customer name, invoice number, invoice date, then the amount that is due from the customer. So we need to calculate the days outstanding, the amount that should be collected in future. So we should calculate the amount that is taken 30 days to be collected, and from 31 to 60 days, and from the 61 to 90 days, and lastly over 90 days. So to calculate days outstanding, we need to apply the today's function equal today minus the invoice date. It gives us the date, but we need the numbers. So let's change the formula to general. So just drag it down to apply for all. Unfortunately, we do have problem here. These are showing in minus because the company expecting to collect these amounts for future. So we need to change the formula. Simply, we need to use if function. So let's use if function equal if, and then today if today greater than the invoice date, comma, then today minus this date, or invoice minus the invoice date, otherwise give me or report 0. So now let's apply the formula for all. The minus sign, change it into the 0. So let's calculate the amount that we or the company expecting to collect in the future, not in the past days. So this is calculated at the if function equal if days outstanding equal to 0, comma, the report or give me this amount, otherwise report 0, and close the bracket and hit enter. Let's see how it works. Apply for all. So from here we can see this amount is expected to be collected in 2022 because we are in 2020. This amount also expected to be collected in November, and this as well expected to be collected in 2023, and this also expected to be collected in 2021. So now let's calculate the amount that was due over 30 days. So we need to use the if and function here because we do have more than one argument, so we need to use if and function here. So equal if and if the days outstanding less than or equal 30 days, comma, then again the days outstanding greater than should be greater than 0, and then close the bracket, comma. If the first argument is true, then the result would be this amount, otherwise report 0, and close the bracket and hit enter. So we need to apply this function or the formula to all. Let's drag down the formula. See, so we do have here the 14 days is less than 30 days, and 29 days less than 30 days, and other all these days are over the 30 days. So let's apply the same function or same formula to the amount that was due over the 31 days. Equal if and days outstanding less than or equal to 60 days. This is the first argument. If this is not applicable, then the second argument would be the days outstanding should be greater than 30. Close the bracket, comma. If the first argument is correct, give me this amount, otherwise report 0. Close the bracket, hit enter. So let's see. So here we have only one applicable function. So this is 49 days. 49 days is less than 60 days. Let's see the amount that was due over 60 days up to the 90 days. So the formula would be equal if and days outstanding, if days outstanding less than or equal to 90, comma, the second argument would be days outstanding should be greater than 60 days, close the bracket, comma. The result would be if the first argument is correct, extract this amount or report it amount, otherwise report 0, close the bracket, hit enter, and apply the formula for all. So from here, the 87 days falls under the 90 days, and 75 days less than 90 days. So let's try the last formula. Last option is over 90 days. So we do have only one argument here. So equal if the days outstanding greater than the 90 days, comma, the result extract this amount, otherwise report 0, and close the bracket, hit enter. Let's see. So from here we can see the 105 days is over 90 days, and here also 105 days over 90 days, and here also 270 days is over 90 days. So let's see whether our calculation is correct or not by calculating the total of the amount equal sum of this amount. So this amount should be equal to the breakdowns of these amounts. So let's see equal sum apply for all. So let's see this equal this plus this plus this plus this plus this amount must be equal to this amount. It's true. It means our calculation is correct. That's all. So you need to, as account departments, you need to report this analysis to the management to make decision and analyze customers of the entity are paying the amount that is due to the company. So that's all. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe now and you'll receive the notification once the new video are recorded.